This color nice, see? This color nice. I'm going upstairs to get to look at the fridge. So you can actually see that's the store. And I'm going upstairs. So yeah, if you want a little fridge, put it down in the room. No fridge. Nice. When this come out, everybody did want it. You can add clothes while you're washing. Samsung. Just meanwhile to wash, just put the clothes in it. Price there. Alright, go look for the fridge. Close. Knock knock. And the price 2,399. Let me see this in this. Same way. So open door. Put that this one. Let me see what this for. Papa for people something. It said open. So this is for the ice. The ice tray. The filter and ice and everything go. That one. Wait there. The one here. Oh, so and this is 1,003. So it's 1,007. Say 400. When this comes, you see how it does? So the freezer's on this side, but so you can open it. So, to me, this bigger. To me, come and get the wallet and get all of here, so get that. Because the freezer smaller on this side, but we get these two here. Alright, let's compare it. Let's compare it. Oh, the door for lock. The one for lock. All right. So look what this is the freezer now. We'll close the fridge. So right. So it's either that freezer with 3 tray or this freezer. Which one? And then so don't get any door or nothing here, so we get a bigger freezer. To me, this freezer is bigger than that. This freezer is bigger. That's the cooker is black, but after a while I think would change it. Alright, so let's look at the fridge now. So we'll close that. So this is the fridge in this one, the Chrome. See this? So them say it's smart. See there? You can see it. So it's smart. It's slim. Now again. Some put in the fridge door. You can push that like that. If you want to put some tall drink up instead of lying down. So you can do that. That's that. And no plum, and that is plum. So this is a no plum and that is plum. So non-plum. See, mark non-plums. That means you have to put your own water. You have to put your own water in it. Yeah, so you have to put your own water in it. So that's the reason why it's cheaper. So this crush up the ice and them something. So I guess how does the ice work? When the ice does not dispense properly, blah blah blah. Refrigerator, this one. Style 1005. It was 2099 and it gone down to 1005, say 500. And it's the same knock knock. And this is no plum. No plum. So you see? So this is the difference. Now let's look at this. This size. This size. It's a nice size. And then this is the freezer. Well, I think the water from here, so I'm gonna ask and find out the water from there to make the same ice business. Right, and the color and the thin as well. So it's supposed to measure the same one around the so. Alright, I'm gonna measure it. Look at this nice. The man, it's big. So you get more space in this one. You can get it on the shelf. So, need the bottles all. So this fridge, this one is big. You have extra space. Put stuff in here, so. Yeah, yes. Fruit and veg. Alright, so the bottom, the freezer now. Freezer, alright. Now this comes to the wire. The filter the water. So this is plum. Enough. Oh, you get space in the door too. You get, so it's a lot of space. So it's like you're paying for more space. So you're paying for more space. And you have to open the two parts of the fridge. And this is, it's slim too. So you're paying for, it says, it's space. This color is kind of a little bit different from this. Almost the same, but not the same. $599, 3,008, and then the other two around there, so 1,003 and 1,000 and about 2,003, something like that. And it says durable. So that's jumper that says durable. The fridge, fee price there, so how you press this maybe top. styles. My them two here. Them two here.